This is the next project that I'm going to work. So it's two projects. So if you guys can see, this is going to be the pencil skirt, guys. This is going to be the little bodysuit that goes, the pencil skirt goes on top. All these pieces is the bias pieces that goes around the V-neck, goes around the arms, goes around the leg part. That's what all those bias scripts is for. This is the wrap shirt, guys, and I got a bias piece turned down. So, guys, when you're connecting it, you make these little pieces and they go right sides together, and then you flip it over and you case it in, give it a better finish. So these wrap tops that I so much love, so much. So guys, if you see when I cut these two pieces, so you guys will take y'all bias and then you just cut a triangle. But if you guys see, I keep these parts connected and then I wind up, casing them together and they be thin like that. And then those is the two legging pieces, guys, and up there is the arm. So guys, those is all the pieces that I have, and when I get this put together, guys, I'll show you guys what it look like. So guys, sewing is like a puzzle. Once you have your bias piece, or your, like if you're going to do a skirt or your leggings, that will never change. So say for instance, if you got your bias piece and you make your leggings, guys, and the next time you want to make some shorts, guys, instead of making all them patterns, you just fold your pants up, and depending on how short you want your shorts, there go your pattern for your shorts. So guys, sewing is like a puzzle. So guys, make some awesome projects. I'll show you guys the finishing projects when it's done. Thank you. Hi guys, it's your girl A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs. And guys, I wanted to bring, this is one of the outfits that I made, guys. So this one is the pencil skirt along with the little leotard, guys. And it goes down past the knee a little bit, guys. So a longer pencil skirt. So this is with the pattern that I had. So guys, if you guys want to make this, take your pencil skirt and make your pencil skirt to fit. Then you want to make the leotard. You can take a tube top you have and trace out the top part, and then take a pair of panties and trace out the bottom part. That's how you can get the shape. And guys, remember when I was telling you I was taking this around? So guys, this is like bias scripts, and you take it, and remember I was showing you guys you sew it right side and then flip it over, and it give it a nice little structure so it doesn't be so flimsy, guys. So this is one of the ones, guys. And then I'm going to take this one off and put on the other one, guys. So, oh, and I got on the denim shoes that I made, guys. Excuse me. I got on these little denim shoes that I made with the little pearl stones on it, guys. So I thought this was a good little touch. So, guys, I'm going to come back with outfit number 2, guys. So stay tuned. Bye-bye. Guys, so here's the other outfit that I made, guys, and I love this. Is actually a 2-piece, guys, and I love this fabric. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fabric, guys. So this one is that 2-piece, and remember, guys, if you want to make these crisscross shape, just take your bias. Matter of fact, let me get it and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, guys, sorry about the delay. So if you want to make this top, guys, this is the shape that you will need. See? And you'll need 2 of these, guys. Cut 2 of these. And then how I get these tassels, guys, when I get to here, so that you can add your tassels later. I just cut it all out at one time. Cut it all the way down, as you guys see in the first video. And then this is the back shape for the back. So you guys want to make these shirts, and then the pants, guys, is just the leggings. Take a pair of leggings that you guys own and do the leggings if you want to make them wide legs, not wide legs, and you do it like that. And the more coverage or less coverage, remember, make the V like more if you want, or less coverage, make the V wider. So guys, thank you guys so much for, I love this color. It is so beautiful. And again, I just threw on them denim shoes, guys. So as always, guys, thank you guys so much and have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, these are a couple still shot. That is a dress with the tube top, guys. And if you guys can see, it's very pretty. Very pretty. Again, the dress with the tube top. Here, guys, is the pants with the crisscross shirt. So remember, if you guys want to make this shirt, just do that pattern. And then if you want the tassels to be connected without creating them, just cut it as you cut out. Look at the original video and you can see what I did to kind of create that.